Connectivity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association NHSSAA Southwest Khasi Hill District but ki khana school menta khasngi ka khan artarek unaila 8,000 kum kadak jong ka jing mynsiem na ka benta ka samla Banrihun Lyngdoh ka yo ban pynlong ya ka program ha plau jong ka Connectivity Higher Secondary School Mawphor ka samla Banrihun Lyngdoh Kabashanga haka class 10 hapo Connectivity Higher Secondary School Mawphor na kashnong Marshilong Southwest Khasi Hill District Kaban Salet Shaka Jingakop Yakun Kti ni Arm Wrestling haka World Arm Wrestling Championship 8,000 Arpusaw Kaban Salong ha Moldova Eastern Europe Nado Katsantarek Hado Arpsantarek Unaila 8,000 Arpusaw Balapanyad da ka Moldovan National Sport Federation of Arm Wrestling. Hakane kasngi ladon lang nado uba kan pam vi Lyngdoh President Jong Connectivity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association NHSSAA Reverend Father A. Walang Principal Jong Connectivity Higher Secondary School Mawphor Lem but kiwede kidukat Connectivity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association NHSSAA kinohikai but ki khana school.
Morning.
Will never do anything to bring dishonor to this land, particularly.
This is one of the best schools in our district, so keep it up and make it the best in your future. So as your school, students have been selected for participating in the sport in Europe. We are really very proud of it, and I hope that your students will perform very well in the coming sports to be held shortly in Europe. So once again, I wish her all the best, as we have heard from our father, principal, that we are really proud to be one of the district that our students have been selected for this, as we see, very inspirational and very competitive sport. So thank you.
That we are here because of Miss Banrihun Lyngdoh, who will go to Europe to participate in the international arm wrestling championship in Moldova, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a great, and we are very proud as past people of Nativity Higher Secondary School. We are here, we are proud, and we wish that the school will, from time to time, will create more leaders, will create more excellent students, and we hope that in the future this school will shine like our SDSU or DSU of district ASEAN. So I would like to wish Banrihun on behalf of Nativity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association. We would like to wish her good luck and Godspeed, and we also would like to give you the encouragement.
Ya, Miss Banrihun, dah kerja suk jing kemen, dah kerja job, kembang polis berkuat to fight a good fight and be successful. Tekata kerja ke wish jungi, tempat hero kena sekolah, nak kena ke sekolah pi la lum kena kan sat jing ai sabhana kebantaji, hak bermiru inselek. The kublaisi bani pi kena sekolah. Thank you so much, all of you dear students. And I heard that you have contributed. I'll tell you the amount that you have contributed. 13,000. Katlai hajar kelala belum api kena sekolah. But happy day api kena sekolah. Even thank you so much to the teachers and to all of you, my dear students, for this gift for Miss Banrihun. Therefore, I call sister and
Asgaw ban ayu bay try karat ba ulala ban berkat bani minta ke step bat kunjuru so keman shisha ba mentang layo kalat kalenti ban lejak kai teh hapo Europe da kajing ya donation lam jongki pajba ne ki pass people but kamtam ngasngo ban aingu nakamta nakane kapo ke school nativity higher secondary school bah kila ya donation lam kinohi kairu kila ya donation da kamensem kabah sebun kabah kemen bat kumjuru ya ki para kena para school ki jonga bah kila ya donation wala ki ya donation shpo arpo hanrei ngalala ban daipoy hadu hangtai hapo Europe but nasu ban ai kuble ifadaru ba ilaju ai mensib yang por syaka por but kamtamru ba kirang ba bakilawan mene ya ki sport jong ka DSO but ya ki pass people but kumjuru ya pi ki media lakermenru ba andang lawan painang tei na po Europe ngan wanra kanam kaburom kamtam hapo kane ka school ka jungi hapo ka district ka jungi bat hakasnong ka thau ka jungi bat hapo kayim ka sem ka jungi bat kumjuru hapo kari ka India ka jungi bat nga ai kuble ru ya I sa confirm ba ilawan menta kasi ban dorkat lang bani bat ilawan ai mensim yang I de tangkum nahi kuble